All right, sir, what is today?
Today's round two of Barona.
Redemption Day. All right, we're a little behind schedule. It is a little bit past 4 right now. The clouds are not looking very promising right now. The forecast said no rain, but it is definitely raining right now. We're gonna see how this goes. There's clear sky around, but pretty much right here above us in the vicinity of the track, there's rain going on. So hopefully it doesn't rain in our parade. Let's get some gas and we'll get over that.
That looks very exciting. We gotta get 5 gallons of our race gas here. 91 octane.
It is pouring. Cats and dogs. Raining on our parade.
What's going on, man?
You guys racing?
I'm hoping to.
Hoping, yeah.
No, they're not racing tonight. They canceled tonight.
Oh, did they? I thought they'd be motivated. Dry it all up.
No.
Wire them.
All right, guys.
Cool. Thank you. Well, there you have it, folks. You heard it here first.
Good old Barona. Good old rain. Today's round two of Barona.
Redemption Day. Street drags at Barona.
Bringing a little street car out.
The only street car that we have running.
The only car they have running.
So how do you think we're gonna do? Are you gonna get beat by a Honda Civic?
Pretty slow. I'm gonna get beat by everybody. Racing in good old Oakleys. My flipping flops. So we're down here, good old El Cajon.
Yeah, we were just in Target right over here.
Doing some work.
See Target right over there? See it? That's where we just were.
Now that we're done working, we're gonna head to the good old Barona.
Yeah, we did some work, got some lunch. We went to In-N-Out. The burgers were good and the fries, surprisingly, were not good. That's kind of a first. What would you give the In-N-Out fries today?
5.
Yeah, they weren't that great.
Burgers, 10.
Yeah.
Let's go to good old Barona.
Let's hit the road. Yeah, let's get some gas.
We can get some race gas, some 91 octane for
Yeah,
the old
some
street
premium.
car. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
All right, let's hit the road. Describe race gas, sir.
91. 91. Slow gas. This is almost kind of fast, and this is race gas.
Isn't that the same thing? 87, 87?
Oh, whoops. It took out the 89. Never mind. They both go slow gas.
I can tell you what, California gas cans are not the move. They're not the move. Would you concur, sir?
I hate California gas cans.
All right, we're here. We have made it to Barona Raceway out in Barona.
No rain today. Weather's looking good.
Yeah, no rain this time.
A little windy, but
We didn't get much footage of the track when it rained. But so we're actually running this time. There's a lot of people here, but I think some of them are running for some day tomorrow. I think it's the antique drags is what they call it. So all cars 73 and older are running. Let's unload the car, let's get it over to tech, and let's go from there. Ooh, doggy. What is that car?
Crapper. That's a crapper. Look what I got for it, though.
I just tripped over the race ramps right here. Gonna put our sticker on our back window. Don't forget our stickers.
It's not a back window.
Down in the description.
It's a back window. 283 horsepower. 300.
Well, according to tech, we officially have a 283 300 horsepower engine. So. Alright, we just went through tech, past tech, we're all good. We gotta fill the car up with gas. We're like bone dry in this tank from last time we drove it. We drive around like our foot is made of lead. At least this guy does, and then when I do it, he complains about me driving around with my foot to the floor.
He's not allowed to drive the car, it doesn't matter.
It's not just this car, it's every car.
You're not allowed to drive any car.
I should go get my license revoked according to the master mechanic.
I never got a license.
I should have never got a license, he says. Alright, the car's all full of gas. We're gonna wait a minute to run. I'm gonna go spectate a couple people first. You can see some people run before we run. see how she does. How do you feel, sir?
Feeling good. Feeling good.
I think it read 693 at 103. I'll see what he says when he gets back. I wasn't really paying attention, to be honest.
Not bad for a little street car, huh? 693, 102. Foot brake, not bad.
So how was that pass? Does it run like you thought it would? Like it always does?
Same as it always does. Like a bracket car.
Probably could be a bracket car at this point.
Yeah.
This thing does the same thing every time. Same time, same time. It hooks, it goes, same time, same speed. Consistent, very consistent. All right, sir, show the Infinity owner what a real street car is.
Absolutely beautiful weather all weekend long. Perfect racing fun.
I'm gonna go again.
Wow. Beat out that Chevy 2 by 100th of a second. Holy crap. That's hilarious. That's awesome. You beat that guy out. A 10th of a, or 100th, I mean. 100th of a second.
Yeah, but I was like 5 miles an hour. It's the same mile an hour every time. It's getting a little heat soaked now. It's slowing down a little bit.
Beat out the little Chevy 2 on a foot brake, and that guy was on a trans brake.
Or race car, caged out with slicks.
Yeah.
I got a little 275.
Little 275.
275.
It's good stuff.
Street trim.
Good stuff.
Caltrack bars, that's the way to go. Caltrack.
So according to the time slip, the Nova beat him out because he got a better reaction than him. But whether you lose, win by an inch or a mile, winning's winning.
Ask any racer, any real racer.
The Camaro won, in our opinion. So that was a good little highlight to end this video.
We're gonna go race some more, but we don't want to bore you.
Yeah, we don't want to go race after race, just same old thing, but we're gonna enjoy the rest of the night. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go down below, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the like button down below. What else?
I'm gonna go race this Camaro. Buy some stickers, man. You get some stickers. Look at this. You need some stickers.
Yeah, you gotta get the sticker, man.
Come on.
Right on the back window.
Go race this Camaro. It's Camaro on Camaro crime.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.